seniors, and I hope you're having a great day, even though you're probably going to see this probably at about 10 or 11, because if I were you, I'd be sleeping in. Okay, so far this week, on Monday, you guys worked on your article of the week. Tuesday, we get a mentor text, and then it's usually due on Thursday nights. I don't know why I said it was due tonight, because it's not. It's due Thursday night. Wednesdays, we get vocabulary. Those aren't due until the Sunday night afterwards. I want you guys to try to get it in for Friday, because if you get it in Friday, then you don't have anything to do over the weekend, and you have a 3-day weekend, so we want to try to make that work. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how to do it here with Nearpod in a second. Thursdays are your mentor text. We're going to revise a little bit, and then Fridays are you get a word game, and it's a catch-up day to get everything done for AOW, because your article of the week is due, and pretty much everything from the week is due, okay? So also with vocab, you get vocab on Wednesday, and then a week later, so next Wednesday, you guys will have a quiz over the vocabulary. And then you'll get a new set of vocabulary. Okay, so that's pretty much how our weeks are going to work. Every now and then I'll throw in some stuff like, a grammar worksheet or, something to read here or there. Thursdays are a day to read, but I'm not giving you a reading assignment tomorrow because we're still getting into the flow of school. So that will start coming probably next week or the week after. Okay, so vocab for Friday/Sunday, you're going to get on a Nearpod. So when you sign on, you'll go ahead and sign on with your name. That's my first name. And then you're going to join the lesson. And so what it does is here it has shown you what the word is, abhor, and to hate very much. And I put GIFs on there, or GIFs, whichever way you like to pronounce it. Okay, so it goes through all of the words that you need to know. Okay, and there's all these different, like I said, there's different GIFs on here. And then there is a word bank. Okay, so what you need to do is, and you can take notes, you can do whatever you want with those, you can just leave it as it is. I would take notes, you have the words to study. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this first one, I blanked yours because there's always more to do, like they never end. Okay, so what I tried to do is I try to always give you a way to remember these vocab words. This particular week, I used rhyming. So chores is the key word there. So one of these words rhymes with chores. Which one is it? Abhor is correct. So I abhor chores. Oh, didn't quite click on it and put it in the right place. I abhor chores because there's always work to do, like they never end. Okay, so that's what you're going to do with that section. The next section is a matching game. You have to match the words with the correct definition. So abhor, and then we want to match that with something that matches. So it might be under my picture. Nope, it's it's right here. Okay, so then it'll show you that it matches. So you go through all of them and you make sure they match. And then after that, you're going to do some drawing. So each one of these, you're going to go ahead and bring up a text box. Okay, and then you're going to write number 1, whatever the first word was. I'm not sure if it was abhor or not. And then you're going to draw something by using these little drawing tools down here, this little pen here, and you can change the color or whatever. So you're going to draw out the 10 words, okay? And then the next thing you do is you're going to play a game. It's called Time to Climb, and you're going to choose your character. Let's say I choose this fox-looking thing. Oh, it's got music. I didn't know that. All right. I don't know. Oh, start. I got to click start. I've never played this before. Oh, ooh, it's very exciting. All right. Which word below is the most similar to all of the words in all caps? I got paid when I won the award. Actually, the answer is accolade. Okay, so it'll have you go through and you climb up and blah, 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 I guess. That's the game. Okay? And then that's everything. So you go through all those steps, and that helps you with getting to know the vocabulary. So that's what's due by Sunday night. Pretty easy, kind of fun. I mean, better than, writing down vocab words and looking them all up in the dictionary and all of that. Okay, so that's today's assignment. Not due till Sunday. Most of your work is due Friday. So you should be working on your mentor text. You should be working on vocabulary if you can get to it. You also have your dailies that you have to work on, and then you also have your mentor text. So now one of the questions that's come up with you guys is when you are creating documents or when you're pulling up documents that I give you, like, what was it? Oh, it was the dailies. Some of you guys were like, I can't edit it. That's because you have to make a copy. So when you go to classwork and you've got your dailies here, right? You click it to open it, and you are wanting to, go in there. You can't because it's a view only. The reason it's a view only is because I don't want you to go ahead and edit it, because then someone else will come along and edit it. They're going to erase your answers. So to avoid that, I don't make it editable. So what you need to do is go to File, and then you go to Make a Copy. And then it'll say Copy of Week 1 Dailies. Okay, so you can change the name of that if you want to put, Anaya's Dailies Week 1 or whatever. You can do that. That's fine. But once you have a copy of them, then you can edit. Okay? So that's what you're doing for today. I know that this daily check-in was a little bit long, but I don't think I gave you one the other day, and it's the first time we're doing vocabulary. So I hope you have a great Monday or Wednesday or Monday, whatever day of the week it is. Wow, my brain's all scrambled. Have a great Wednesday and good luck, and keep on working, okay?